Hi guys, welcome to Ego IFX. And if today is your first time here, guys, remember to like and to subscribe. So in today's video, I want to share with you a very nice and amazing breakout strategy that you can use to grow your small account. You can also use to grow your account and to multiply. Okay, so I'm in odd USD and I'm on a 1 hour time frame. So you can see odd USD is almost like going sideways. So what do? So the first thing you do, remember it's purely price action, so no indicator. So the first thing we'll do is draw your trend line, right? Draw your trend line over there. Okay, and what is the reason why we are drawing this trend line is because you can see a touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here. Okay, so as long as we are above here, above this trend line, then we are looking for buying opportunities, and as long as we are below and we've seen some confirmation, then we are looking for selling opportunities. All right, so let's go down to it and see how odd USD behave. So I want to maintain my trend line like that. Okay, all right, so let's play it and see. Okay, so you don't enter at breakout, because if you entered your sell here, this could be a fake out. So you have to wait and see confirmations. Okay, you must see some confirmation before you either buy or sell. So what happened to odd USD? You see it came back again. All right, and then okay, all right, so that's a very fantastic bearish move, but I'll still not enter immediately. I will wait for a retest, and then before I can be able to sell. Okay, so let's see if we can catch some retest here and see if we can get some selling opportunities. Okay, so we do nothing here because this could be a fake out. It can be a fake out, and then it will just come and take you out. Okay, all right, so let's see. Fantastic. So the first thing I see here is this pin bar here, this pin bar here. That's a sign of reversal. So let me draw my zone here, draw my zone there. Okay, I'll draw my zone there. All right, and then you can see that this market was rejected 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then it has come to be rejected 4 times. So these are very a nice opportunity for you to enter your sell. Okay, and then so that is one confirmation. So the first confirmation is we are below this zone, and you can see that every time the market came to this zone, it was rejected down, rejected. Okay, so that's the first confirmation. The second confirmation is we are below this trend line. This trend line was acting as a support, but now it is acting as a resistance. That is confirmation number 2. Confirmation number 3 is there is this pin bar, and you can see a very strong push to the downward. Okay, so that shows you that the sellers are in control. Then another last thing, confirmation, is you can see this is a double top. Okay, or even you can call it a triple top. So there is a double top here, so definitely there is a selling opportunity here. So what will I do? I will take my short position to, let's see there, then put my stop loss just above this. Okay, that was the recent high. So I can see here this one here, so I'll just put just above there. Then right, let's see how big the move is. So wow. Okay, That was awesome. That was really awesome. Let's see if we can get 10 times. So risking 1% to make 10%. Okay. Right. So risking 1% to make 10%. All right. So let's see how this played out. Okay. Wow. All right. Wow. All right. Let's see. This was a very big move. This was a very big move. Okay. So how many? What is the RR there? Wow. 18.24, right? So this is risking 1% to make 18%. Okay, this is very these are very big move. But remember that the main point is the number of confirmation. We are below the zone. We've seen a double top, and also we've seen a break of the trend line and a retest. We have also seen a reversal, a pin bar reversal here. So that is when we entered our sell position. And I think here there was news. That's why there was this very big push. But yeah, if you could have entered this, then you could have made a clean 18.29 times. If you risk 1%, you could have made 18.29%, right? So let's see. And how many pips are those? That is a clean 230 pips, right? So these are very nice, amazing breakout strategy that you can use to catch big moves like this. So guys, yeah, if you want to be catching big moves like this, remember to like and to subscribe. If you want to join our VIP, the link is on the description below. And also if you want to join our free Telegram group, you'll also find the link in the description below. So this is a very nice, amazing breakout strategy. So break, retest, and then push to the down that you can take advantage of and catch such big moves. So thank you guys for watching. This is Eagle Eye FX. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.